Hello everybody, this is my Amiga 600 which is connected to this VGA monitor by using a really cheap adapter from eBay, a video adapter. I don't know if you can see it on this video, but there's a lot of flickering going on and the image quality is really bad, I think. I could have used a non-interlaced mode, which would make it look a little better, more like this, but still the image is a bit fuzzy, I think. So I went ahead and bought this adapter here from eBay, which is a bit more expensive. Which I shall try out now. Here is how it looks on the back. The white connector will be used for attaching this cable. The Amiga side goes here and the adapter here. And the other VGA connector, the blue one, is for the monitor. Included was also this power cable, which is used 5 volts from a USB power supply. Well, let's see then how it will work. Here is a closer look at the old adapter, the cheap one. Don't remember how much I paid for it, some years ago since I bought it. And you see, I use composite, the only thing I could get to work properly. I also try to use it with this. This is an adapter made by Amiga Maniac some years ago, which I bought. Works fine when connecting to a TV, but I couldn't get it to work with this. With the S-Video I got a picture, but it was flickering from black and white to color all the time, flickering. So that was impossible, but I couldn't get it to work with a composite output at all. All I got was a white image picture. Well, enough of that. Let's try connecting up the new adapter and see how it works. Okay, so the moment of truth is here. Let me just turn on the Amiga. Starts booting. It seems like there's a bit of adjusting to be done, but it looks a bit better, I think. First impression, it doesn't flicker, and the image is a bit sharper, I think, also. Yes, it seems like I have to do some adjusting there. But all in all, much better quality, I think. I just will have to play around a bit with it and come back later, perhaps. Okay, by using the buttons on the adapter, I managed to get a much better picture, as you can see here. It's still a bit too dark for my liking, but I will just use the settings on the monitor to adjust the brightness a bit higher. So all in all, I'm quite satisfied with this adapter. It goes to show that you get what you pay for. Cheap adapters might be good enough for games and stuff, but if you want something more, then buying a more expensive one is better. I can also add that I found included USB power cable to be a bit on the short side, so I will have to use an extension cable for this. And also, I connected it to this power supply, which drives my old speakers there, but there was too much humming, so I will have to find another power supply to use. It is not included with the adapter, by the way. Just to round off this video, here is the original eBay listing for the adapter I bought. The seller, you can see here. I'm really satisfied with this adapter so far, and I would recommend it. See, scroll down a little. Down. Alright, this is it for this time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.